Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing what I got for my 15th birthday. I wanted to also note that I'm not trying to brag in any way, shape, or form. I'm very thankful for every single gift I got. The first thing I got is from my youth group, and it is, wait, where'd the thingy go? I'm spacing. I got these pens. I hope you can see them. And then I also got this journal. Yep. I love these two things and I'm so grateful, especially because look how pretty this journal is. It's gorgeous. Okay, moving on. So next, everything else is from both of my parents, and I'm so thankful for everything. So let's start off with the first thing, which is I got a 12-pack of sunflower seeds. I love sunflower seeds. Yeah. So next, I think my mom picked this stuff out, but who knows, maybe my dad helped, but it's kind of like a beauty kind of basket. I don't know what you call it, but it has a whole bunch of I don't know. I'll just show you guys. So first off, we have this assorted mix of Burt's Bees. Burt's Bees is my favorite chapstick, like their brand. There's 4 in here, and it's vanilla bean, cucumber mint, and coconut pear, and I just said it. Next I have this, and it's a brightening black pearl mask. Pretty cute. I don't actually know if it's cute, but it looks adorable, and I'm probably going to use it, and I'll probably use it in a video, so that's what other thing. This is also from Burt's Bees. I've never used their hand cream, but it's like a trio of it, and it has lavender honey, orange blossom and pistachio, and rosemary and lemon. Those all look amazing. Oh my gosh. Next thing is a wax melt. If you don't know, I have a wax, like a melter, like a thing that melts wax, and it's like a candle, but like it smells really good. Okay, I don't know how to explain it, and so she got me this, and it is a tropical citrus smell, and I haven't actually smelled it. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. This is it changes in the sunlight, I guess. The indoor color is this this shade, and then the outdoor, I guess it turns like a maroon, and it's so pretty. I love that. Next I think these are bath bombs. It says bath fizzer, but bath bomb. I don't actually think I've used a bath bomb since I was 7, so I just love this, and it's packaged so cute. Honestly though, this is adorable. Thank you so much, my parents. And then we have this foot spa soothing jelly soak. I'm guessing you put this into some sort of warm water and you soak your feet in it. If you're a guy and you're watching this, I apologize. Or a girl. I didn't need to explain it that way, but whatever. That's what it is. I love everything in this basket, and it's literally so cute. I just love this basket so much. Next thing I got was these. These are LED strips. I have an LED thing up already, but it was like $20 from Walmart, and it wasn't very good quality. It kept falling down, and I had to put it up a million times. But I wanted them all around my room to give it a brighter color, and so my mom got me a pack of 3, and I'm going to put it all around my room. I don't know when, maybe tonight, probably not, but I love these so much. I'm so thankful for them. So first thing I got is these blow pops, and they look really good. I also wanted to film this right now because I know I'm going to start eating them, and I want to film it when they're not eaten, you know? Really good, honestly. Next we have hot cheese crunchies. I don't know what these are. I've never even tried these, so hopefully they're good, but yay! Next thing we have is a seasonal Spitz sunflower seeds. Yummy. Next I've got white fudge, like covered pretzels. These are so good. I love these so much. Next, I already opened it. These are like gummy cherries. And next, oh, they're still green. Next, we have Airhead Extremes, and they're the bluest raspberry flavor. They look so good, honestly. Next, we have these sour streamers. They also look amazing. And last, but definitely not least, we have Talkies. I love Talkies. I always love Talkies. I'm just in love with them. Yeah. I look horrible, and I'm fully aware of that. Anyways, all I wanted to do is come in here. Why is this shirt being annoying? I wanted to come in here and say thank you to everyone who got me a present, all my friends and everything. And just that I had an amazing birthday. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Bye.